generally involve smaller, cheaper equipments than wet procedures do and produce a concentrated dry effluent which may be disposed of more cheaply. The main groups of equipment used for dry cleanings are air classifiers, magnetic separators, and separators based on screening of vegetables. Wet methods. This method is used in most vegetables. Washing is done at the pack house through automated washing system fitted with overhead sprayers and smooth rotating brushes to clean and wash the vegetables. Wet cleaning is more effective than dry method for removing soil from root crops or dust and pesticides residue for vegetables. It is also dustless and causes less damage to food than dry methods. Different combinations of detergents at different temperatures allow flexibility in operations. However, the use of warm cleaning waters may accelerate chemical and biological spoilage unless careful control is accessed over washing time and subsequently delay before processing. Furthermore, wet procedure produce large volume of effluent, often with high concentration of dissolved and suspended soils. Importance of cleaning of vegetable. Cleaning of vegetable is very important as most leaf vegetables are washed in clean water to remove dirts and other debris and surface contaminants. This is essentially important during rainy weather as the produce often is contaminated with soil. It is essentially to control the spread of disease from one item to another and limit the pathogen load in wash water or in the packaging house air. The next operation of post-harvesting is sorting of vegetables. Sorting is the separation of foods into categories on the basis of a measurable physical property. Like cleaning, sorting should be employed as early as possible to ensure a uniform product for subsequent processing. The four main physical properties used to sort foods are size, shape, weight, and color. A preliminary sorting of product should remove unmarkable peas and foreign matters before the produce passes on to further operations. All discarded materials should be quickly taken away from the packaging house or placed in closable bins for later removal. This is because accumulations of decaying or disinfested waste in or near the packaging house will contaminate produce designed for market. Objectives of sorting. Sorting is basically done to remove product or portions of product that may pose a risk for shortened shelf life or contamination by a microbial organism. Basic objective of sorting is contaminated product, sensic product, insect damaged product, product with a broken skin, product that is out of grade. Vegetable sorting basically covers with two main separate processing operation. The first one is removal of damaged vegetables and any foreign bodies which may have been left behind or after washing, and the quantitative storing based on and the maturity stage. Grading of vegetables. Among the four basic operations, this is probably the most important process of post-harvesting. After harvesting the vegetable, they are stored under shade. The diseased and deformed vegetables are stored. Before sending to the market, the vegetable may be graded according to the size. Grading is sorting of vegetables into different grades according to the size, shape, color and volume to fetch high price in market. Grading process of classifying into groups according to a set of recognized criteria of quality and size, each group bearing an acceptable name and size grouping.